to a big university kind of like scared me a little bit, especially being in like a big band like that. So I was like, might as well just ease my way through it and go to a smaller college where I can actually get the experience I need to go into a bigger band like that.
My first language is American Sign Language. I couldn't speak until I was actually 3 or 4 years old. So actually being able to sing is like, a gift from God. So I kind of looked at it and said, he gave me a voice, so let me use it. So I love to sing, I love to write music, I love everything with it. So it was something I picked up just in these past couple of years. So when I was about 18, 19, I started to take singing a little bit more seriously.
I would say doing it together is one of the best things, and to ask questions because music can be hard. But it's fun, and it allows you to put yourself out there and do things that you didn't think you could do at first. And
every performer has their own touch. You can look historically at live performers. Somebody can do a cover of a song from another group or another artist, and everybody puts their own spin on it. So this is just their interpretation of it. We could go and see something that they're playing today and go just up the road, north or south, but with just a little bit different flair interpretation. Sometimes you may even get a better player on a part that you go, oh, that person did it better, but we like this person better. So again, it's just about like any music. If the parts are interchangeable, as long as you're trying to maintain the goal of we're trying to give the best performance possible.
I've learned different techniques, learned different skills for guitar, so it's definitely growing my knowledge and my playing abilities. So overall, it's been a really good, positive experience.
A lot of the students that I have in choir are music majors or music education majors. They learn a variety of different literature. They learn to sing with different styles, and that helps them in the long run be better teachers when they eventually get to that point. I want them to sing well together so they understand that, but also how to sing individually so that they can show their students how to use their voice and how to blend voices to make everything come together.
Feels amazing. Sometimes I've been getting pretty good compliments on just like how I do my piano, which is good because that's been my number one instrument. I've been playing that the longest, so that it warms my heart every time.
In all the years I've done band, being here has helped me learn the most, and I think anyone else who joins this band will definitely feel that same way. Out of all the bands that I've been in, this one has helped me improve the most. Even in my individual lessons, I've learned more every single time. They'll find something new to explore and learn through this program.